So student, today we are going to learn while loop. In last video, we saw the concept of for loop. So at first, for while loop, let me show you the syntax. At first, we have to initialize the variable. For example, suppose we declare the variable, we will write here initialize. Okay, initialize. Then we have to give while condition, whatever or till what we want to continue the loop, that is what we need to write. At last, we have to write wend. Wend is the end part of the while. So in between we can write body of the loop. Okay, this is how the loop in while. And one more thing, after body of the loop, here we can write increment, just like C, C++, increment or decrement. It means increment or decrement means either the loop is increasing or decreasing. That is what we are going to specify in this place. Okay, so let's go with a program. Let's see an example. Suppose student, first I'm just giving an example here, that write a VB program to print all numbers between 56 to 3 using while loop. Okay, so that is how the question is. Print 56 to 3. So go to form. So let's take a button. Nothing is specified, that where the result will be shown to us. So we can show the result on the form. So I'm double clicking on the button to write the coding. So how the coding will be, the variable we can declare as n as integer. Here, then n the value will initialize from what? 56. And how long it will continue? It will continue until unless the n value is bigger than 3. Fine. Then we can end immediately the while. Fine. So in between, what we need to do, as we want to print the value on the form, so we can write print n and semicolon, so that it will print in one line, and we can provide a space so that the value will be printed after giving a gap. Then how the value of n is moving ahead or moving backward. So in this case, as the question is given from 56 to 3, the value is moving backward. So we can write n equal to n minus 1. Okay, hope understood the concept. Now let execute. So running the program. See, the numbers are getting printed from 56 to 6. It will get printed 56 to 6. Fine, with the gap of minus 1. In for case, we used to write step minus 1. So in this case, there is no concept of step and all. So we have to do it manually by writing n equal to n plus 1. Okay, so this is the question of 56 to 3 with while loop. Now suppose I want to go with even and or. So same way like for only. So here suppose the question I'm changing, print all even numbers. Print all even numbers. Fine, even numbers between, suppose I'm giving 6 to 66. Okay, except suppose say 40. Fine, except 40 in the sense 6 to 66, all the even number will be printed. In between, only 40 should not be there. I have added here two conditions additionally. Okay, so how the loop will start from which place then? 6, and loop will continue till what? As it is written from 6 to 66, it will go ahead. So we have to write here less than equal to 66. Clear? Then as we have written all even numbers, so we have to provide here if n mod 2 not equal to 0. Okay, sorry, equal to 0, because even we are saying. So then what it will do, if the condition gets satisfied, it will print the number. Fine. otherwise nothing to be done. So and if then as the loop is increasing, so we have to give her n equal to n plus 1. Fine. I'm not including now except 40. Let's check first whether the concept is working or not. 6 to 66, all the numbers are getting printed. In between 40 also is included. If I want to exclude 40, from there, I can specify here and I can specify here and n not equal to 40. Fine. So let's check. Is there any 40? Understood? Two conditions altogether I wrote with the help of AND operator, logical operator. So here I am writing for even number and thereafter I wrote for not equal to 40. It means 40 won't get included, as well as it has to be an even number. Not only it has to be an even number, but also it should not be equal with 40, not equal to 40. So that is what the thing, and this is what the output after 36, 38, 40 is not there, directly 42 is coming. Okay, hope all of you are understanding. Then let's try for the next question. So next question, suppose I am doing here print all numbers. Okay, those are divisible by 3 and 5. Okay, 3 and 5 between, I'm taking one more remark, between 1 to 100, 1 to 100, except, suppose except also I am applying. So 3 and 5 it is written, suppose let's try 30, because 30 is a number which is divisible by 3 and by 5 as well, but I don't want to include it. Fine, all the numbers will be printed in between 3 and in between 1 and 100, but 30 won't be included. Clear? So let's go up. So we have to initialize the value from where, students? 1, and as the numbers are continuing ahead, means ascending order 1 to 100, so we have to write here 100. Fine, n less than equal to 100. Then what we need to do, n mod 2 equal to 0. In this case, because this was even number before, now we are doing divisible by 2, so we can write a divisible by 3, sorry. So n mod 3 equal to 0 and n mod what, 5 equal to 0. So it means it has to divisible by 5 as well as by 3, and n not equal to what, 30. Neither it should divisible by 3, nor it should divisible by 5, nor it has to be 30. So all three has to be excluded. Fine. So now it is given print, and we are increasing the loop here. Clear? So let's check. See, only 15, 45 and 60, 75 and 90 is getting printed, as they are only the number which are divisible by 3 and 5, and not other numbers are divisible, as well as 30 is divisible, but 30 is not coming in between 15 and 45. Hope all of you are understanding the concept of it. I am still using AND operator. Okay, next question I am doing without using AND operator. You please see, I am adding so many conditions but not using the AND operator. Okay, write a Visual Basic program to print all. Suppose I am giving here all odd numbers. Those are print all odd numbers between 5 and 50, except what, suppose anything 45. Clear? So how we can do? We have to initialize the variable with 5, and we have to continue till 50, as I told that you have to continue till 50. Fine, students. Then we have to print odd numbers, so we have to write here 2 and not equal to. Fine. And as I told, I don't want to use the operator like AND operator, so I will use another condition here, n not equal to 45. Then fine, so now print end if, and one more end if I have to write, and as the loop is increasing, so this is how, see, the program is coming. Okay, students, hope all of you understood.